Welcome to the demo of the 24B report ad hoc outputs during work order execution in discrete manufacturing in Oracle Fusion Cloud Manufacturing. This feature provides you with the ability to report ad hoc outputs for standard discrete manufacturing work orders at a count point in-house operation during work execution. You can view the completed outputs at an operation in work order and in transaction history and in work execution reports. You can inspect the completed outputs in standalone mode and also view the genealogy. The ad hoc outputs will use the fixed cost setup for costing. Your business process might require reporting unplanned outputs to realize value for operations scrap. With this capability, you can report ad hoc outputs in any in-house count point operation. You can realize accurate valuation of scraps or any unplanned outputs leading to maximum value realization for items produced. This demo shows you how report ad hoc outputs during work order execution in discrete manufacturing enhances your business. We will see how a production operator, after logging into the application, reports two output items manually for a work order operation and views the reported output items. Production operator searches for the required work order operation dispatch list and navigates to the report output items page to report the output items. The first item reported is a plain item without lot or serial control, and the second item is a lot controlled item for which a lot number can be generated or an existing lot number can be used. In the demo, the operator generates a new lot number for the item and completes the transaction. The transacted outputs can be viewed in the Operations tab in the work order, and the output transactions can be viewed in the transaction history page. In this demo, we will see how to report multiple outputs manually for a discrete manufacturing work order operation. Log into the application as a production operator and navigate to the work execution overview page. Navigate to the dispatch list and query for the required work order. The work order operations are displayed. Select the required row and click the icon under the column Report Output Transactions. This is for reporting output items manually for this work order operation. The Report Output Items page is displayed. Add a row to the transaction table to report an output. The output item is PPLN1. This is a plain item. The output type is a byproduct and the transaction quantity is 2. We will also report a lot controlled item as a product. So add another row to the table and enter the output P lot 1. The output type is product and the transaction quantity is 5. This is a lot controlled item, so you need to generate a lot number by clicking the generate lot button. The lot number has been generated and populated. So we have two outputs for transaction, and click on the save and close button to complete the transaction. The transaction is complete. The outputs have been reported and you can read the confirmation message. You have reported output transactions for the work order WO170 operation 10. We will now view the reported outputs. Click on the work order number link in the row. Click on the Operations tab and you can see the outputs reported for this operation. Click on the Outputs link to view the outputs. You can view the outputs PLOT1 and PPLN1. Now let us view the outputs in the transaction history. Navigate to the History tab and click on Transaction History. The reported outputs are displayed here. P lot 1 for a quantity of 5 and PPLN 1 for a quantity of 2. This completes the demo. Thank you for watching this feature demo.